Good morning, family. Welcome to day one of our buff booster, 4-star, no nature. And this is a defense team that actually meant to change. I had to think, when I first set up this team, I wasn't really thinking that since there's no nature, ice will be the predominant color. I had it mixed up in my head. So unfortunately, I couldn't go back and change this. But we do have Li Shu, and we already know what she does, silencing 3 enemies. Plus, she has the masterclass talent to dispel any buffs. Wilbur, who, plus side, he adds Spirit Link and shared damage with the whole team, and that's a buff added, but it also adds a buff to your opponent. They get the minus 44 defense, so plus the shared damage on their end. We have Kalau, which I think I wanted to change her, but it's okay. We'll see how this defense goes. She does the burn damage to 3 and absorb some of the healing from the damage dealt. We have Regard, boosted healer. And the thing about this one is he actually negates the defense increase that Wilbur gives. And then we have Trident, who does a plus 30% attack. All right. Well, we'll see how this goes. You live and you learn. No nature. Okay. So we're going to. It was okay, Boro, right? He does counterattack to everyone. Okay. So we're going to use Sabina. We're going to do a majority of ice heroes. Do they have any ailments? Oh, yeah. We're going to use Knuckles, Hero. Oh, wait, I have 2 healers. We can't do that. Let's see. Grim. Oh, shoot, I didn't mean to do that. We're going to go with Grim. Oh, you know what? Actually, let's use Li Shu for the... Oh, I didn't really want any nature heroes, huh? That's a big risk. I'm going to go for it anyway. Hopefully she doesn't target her. Oops. Sorry, I got to control the game sound. Okay. Is it worth the risk? Let's give it a shot. think we could take that guy out. Yep. I don't like all these fire tiles. Let's get rid of that cuckoo owl. Okay, that's a good start. Let's see. Let me look at the hero's chest. Okay, 2 more attacks. Okay, we're going to keep Knuckles. We're going to use Regard. Merlin. And we're going to need another hitter. Strong one. Let's go with should I use this version? Wait a minute. Oh, he's not a master class paladin. Okay. Can I put any more emblems on Knuckles? Yeah. Let's do it. I'm going to go the defense route. Because sources say I'm going to be using him a lot more often. Okay. All right. That looks good. Something tells me there's going to be full of nature tiles in this. Let's see. What's left of that blind? Who should I hit? Regard, huh? He's the ranger one. Yeah. 41. We don't want regard to heal. Of course. And he's going to heal anyway. Of course. Are you kidding me? What a cheat. Oh boy. That's crazy. All right. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. Okay. So I'm going to definitely need 2 healers for this one. Ah, man. All right. Chances are they're going to resist everything. So just going to do the best I can. So we're going to need another attacker. Let me see here. I don't need regard in the middle because I actually want him to. Let's keep the healers on the opposite sides. Let me think. I'm going to focus on. Okay, let's see here. No, I think we need to go with the holy hero. We need defense on. Wow, they're hitting hard already. Okay, let's see what we're going to do. I think I'm going to focus on the right side. Let's see if anything sticks. All right. Now, oh, it's pretty interesting. That's interesting right there. So, Bow Tusk received the poison, but not the what is it? The freeze on mana, and he received the freeze on mana, but not the poison. You know what I'm noticing? That the tunes are actually receiving more ailments. Okay, let's see if we get rid of Lishu. Wow, they both received that. Oh wow. I didn't. Okay, that was cool. That was cool. So let's see here. I need 2 more flags, huh? Yeah. Is it worth spending? Well, I don't have any gems to spend anyway. So let's see what's in here. Okay, just keep going, keep going. I want to see more. All right. I like what I have, so I'll just stick with this. They have. Yeah, let's do it. Got a holy diamond. That's gonna help. Let me just take these ice towels first. Oh no, you don't. All right. Let's see if we can dispel any of that. Hopefully we can get regard to cleanse that. That's interesting. So, did you notice that Li Shu, with Grim, she she dispelled the that little dice, the attack up that Wukong gives, but she didn't dispel that. What is that? That the reflected ailments. All right. I like this team. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try something a little bit different. We're going to still keep Regard, right? Do we need him? Yeah, we do. Now, let's try a different hero. Do they have minions? Oh, well. He's a druid. She's a ranger. Sorcerer. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go with fast heroes. Let's do Sonya. But I think I want to use the costume version, this one, to prevent the buffs. And then let's go with this guy. He removes buffs. What the minions do. They dispel them. Okay. Then we're going to use I think we'll go with Grim. Yeah. And who should I use? The Holy Hero. He has a bomb, huh? Okay, let's use him. And I think I could put more minions on him. I mean minions, emblems. Let's see here. I think I want to go with, that's 1, 2, and 3. I think that's about enough right now. Okay, let's give this a shot. Let's see. Let's increase his defense. Regards his attack. Okay. I need to get these ice tiles up there. Wow, there's a lot of slash attacks coming. And chances are they'll probably hit Sonya. So look at how much nature tiles there are. Well, just see if I can at least get rid of that guy. Eh, how much left of that? One turn? Might as well. There's still a lot of green and red tiles. Oh, so look, now they want to give me ice tiles. It's a pretty shoddy board, so there was nothing I could really do with that one. All right, well, not too bad of a start, except for that last one. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you for day 2.